told you earlier in the program that the one black girl was trying to change her tire. She's trying to turn the lug and the tire keeps spinning. She's got the jack up too high. You got to break the lug, sweetie, before you let the car up. Then this one chick, she makes a video about changing tires. All she showed at the end was that you tighten the lug nuts with your finger. And the video ended. Chick, you gonna kill somebody or yourself. You better take that lug wrench and tighten them damn lugs on there before that tire falls off. The lug is going to come loose due to the vibration on the road. You got to tighten it. You don't need a man. See, a man is not just financial. When that wind hitting your front door, that man there blocking that wind. But because you want to live the life of Oprah Winfrey and Cardi B and all these other dumbass chicks, if he ain't providing the bag, then he got to go. Well, people bring more to the game than just finances, fam. They bring more to the game. Now, the girl in the TikTok challenge for changing the tire, she gets upset that once she can't get it, there didn't no man come to help her. For what? You strong and independent. You can't be strong and independent when you want to. Then when you need help, you want me to come around. It doesn't work that way. Either you need my help or you don't. So you all get put in the same basket. Even the lady who would like to have a man. Because these black chicks be screaming, you don't need a man, then the brother sees her, he thought, well, she's strong and independent. She don't need me. In Buffalo, New York, that boy knew that it'd be more women and old folk in there than men. He knew you wasn't armed, which means you're vulnerable. It's the men. And all y'all want to scream is toxic masculinity. I bet if a nigga kicking your dough in at 3 in the goddamn morning, you want some toxic masculinity in your life. I bet you want it then. Someone knocks on the door at 3 in the morning. Are you looking to go answer the door? Or is he going to the door?